seedless tree, meaning under the flag of a foreign power.
But where was your friendship when we asked you to lead us to the Mamprosi king, and you refused?
When you arrived here, you said that when I made friends with your king, I should not accept a similar relationship between myself and other foreign powers. How then, as a Sparkers who have made this friendship between us, do you not go back and tell my friend and governor of Accra that you have the friendship of a great and powerful king? You are not satisfied with my friendship because you think of me as a small king, and we are proceeding to Gambaga, and I do not know where else you are not going.
You acted like a despot. After you had spoken, not even a man from your kingdom would come out as guide for us. We could not proceed into the hinterland as planned.
Disaster, Jiri. The parent that would not see. Tama yakan da would not tell. I acted not like a despot, but like a strong leader. It is never wise to make plans without proper consultation and negotiation.
You can say we didn't make an effort. In 1894, the governor of the Gold Coast again tried to persuade several chiefs in your area to sign exclusive trade agreements. Some chiefs accepted the governor's terms, but you, now and then, refuse outright.
That is correct. I was a firm believer in free trade, and I could see no advantage for my people in reserving the trade and commerce of Dagbani for only one European power. In 1894,